Paleta ko.
Hindi, pati tayo binigyan ng ano, ng... Ano ko dito dapat yung number? Ba't wala tayong ano ngayon? Oo. Sige na. Saan nakauna dyan?
Ano gusto nyo? Adventure o comfort?
Comfort.
Noon nag-comfort tayo.
Nag-comfort tayo. O.
Adventure muna, tapos
Na-advent,
comfort.
oo.
Kasi baka di natin mapuntahan yung ano
Paano
dyan.
to?
Yung...
Saan tayo muna? Sabi niya, if you choose adventure, please enter the door and proceed to the next page. If you choose comfort, please enter the door and read message on the Sintra board.
O dapat comfort muna, yung malungkot muna. Charot.
Oo. Kasi dyan nandiyan yung mga damit eh.
O sige.
So, paano to
Ay,
open?
okay, Bonnie.
Paano to open?
Tulak mo lang.
Tulak mo.
Yan, yan.
Dito na natin.
Ay, ano siya? Ay, mga iba eh.
Okay, nagbasa tayo dyan, no?
Dati kasi, galing nila nila. Hindi ko sa ano. Oo.
Na?
Ano?
Dito tayo sa... Adventure.
Sila nandun lang nila, wala nang kasama sa dyan.
Ay, hindi ko lang sila kasama sa dati. Balak ko yun ang kailangan.
Pero may mga dito.
Ay, ganun po sila. Sige, thank you po. Sige po.
Ito yung gusto ko kasi siya ano para. Kasi yung
Opo, opo.
Sa ano siya
Kakayo po yung sagot. So, ano po mo siya?
wala ko, hindi sa kanya.
Ay, sige po. Kunin mo yung phone number ni sir. Para po ma-explain
ma-advise na po siya. Target po namin sa ika 50th, ay 50th.
He was told by Mr. Marcos to Malacanang the day before he left for America. And Mr. Marcos said,
Correct! Si Andrew gusto niya ng mga top. Sabi mo yan.
Di ba matanda pa si Sister Nino? Kay nanay.
Napakabata mo siya. Nanalo, bata rin.
Ito yung sa return, no?
Ayun dyan.
Okay. Narinig mo na ba yan? Ito yung pamilya. Nanginginig. Ayan, ang lamesa oh. Mga pag may lumalakad. Okay. Akala ko may nagpapawag. Mas cold naman.
Ayan.
Akala ko may nagpapawag. Oo nga pala, wala pa tayong ganyan. Ano eh? Tingnan mo ito, Ate. Ate, nanginginig siya. Itong box. Itong salamin. Hindi ko ano siya. Nanginginig siya. Salamat po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Lambot.
That's, I don't know, Chino roses. It's a caricature, and this is corn. So he brought this to me, corn, so that he could give it to grandchildren.
Ah, ito pala naman yun. Kasan ko mga nabagdan ko? Oo, mag-search ako. Chat GPT ko. Okay lang. Baka pala seryoso. Hindi, dapat ko gusto mo pa lang. Baka gusto mo na rin natin yung camera man. Ilan mo So, hindi ako ganun.
Yes. Change career.
Siyempre lang, hindi seryoso. Bata pa siya dito. Na. Bata pa siya. Bata pa siya. O, di ba? Punta na tayo dito.
You saw women poll watchers break out in tears as armed women splashed the polling places to steal the ballots. But just the same, they tied themselves to the ballot boxes. You saw people so committed to the ways of democracy that they were prepared to give their lives for its pale imitation. At the end of the day, before another wave of fraud could distort the results, I announce the people's victory. Many of you here today played a part in changing the policy of your country towards ours. We, the Filipinos, thank each of you for what you did, for balancing America's strategic interests against human concerns, illuminates the American vision of the world. The co-chairman of the United States Observer Team in his report to the President said, I was witness to an extraordinary manifestation of democracy on the part of the Filipino people. The ultimate result was the election of Mrs. Corazon Aquino as president and Mr. Salvador Laurel as vice president of the Philippines. When a subservient parliament announced my opponent's victory, the people then turned out in the streets and proclaimed me the president of all the people. And true to their word, when a handful of military leaders declared themselves against the dictatorship, the people rallied to their protection. Surely the people take care of their own. It is on that faith and the obligation it entails that I assume the presidency. As I came to power peacefully, so shall I keep it. That is my contract with my people and my commitment to God. He is will that the blood drawn with the lash shall not in my country be paid by blood drawn by the sword, but by the terrible joy of reconciliation. We have swept away absolute power by limited revolutions that respected the life and freedom of every other individual. Now we are restoring full constitutional government. Again, as we restore democracy by the ways of democracy, so are we completing the constitutional structures of our new democracy under a constitution that already gives full respect to the will of the rights. A justly independent constitutional commission is completing its draft, which will be submitted to the ballot.
Hindi tayo. Ano kay Pinoy?
Yes.
Wala sa yung picture ko yun. Take picture from the
Sama ko na. No?
Ay, color printer. Oh. Pwede mo suot yan.
Pag ano na siya. No, tilted.
Bibi, nasa mo ba yan? Oo, mag-picture tayo dyan. Dali, tapusin ko lang ito.
School siya, classroom. Na mahal. Oo. Tinanggal na yung mga, yung kwarto ni Ninoy. Ito ano yung Pinoy ba? Kay Ninoy? Pinoy.
Ito yung tayo.
Sabi. As pero ako hindi mag-drawing ng height. Pero ako drawing. Mapicture ko rin pa.
Wait lang, i-picture ko lang sandali ito.
Kasi yan yung mga nagagayan.